Halo teman-teman, thanks for coming to this channel. Di video ini, Ishak akan share beberapa kosakata dan kalimat-kalimat sederhana yang bisa digunakan sama teman-teman yang baru mulai belajar bahasa Inggris. Kalimat-kalimatnya pendek, sederhana, pastinya mudah dimengerti. Alright, tema kali ini adalah kalimat tentang aktivitas seharian dari bangun pagi sampai tidur lagi di malam hari. Langsung saja kita mulai. We start from the morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Let's take a shower. Let's take a shower. Don't forget to brush the teeth. Don't forget to brush the teeth. This is my lovely towel. This is my lovely towel. You can choose your outfit today. You can choose your outfit today. I put the lotion to my body. I put the lotion to my body. I can comb my hair by myself. I can comb my hair by myself. I sit on my chair and do breakfast. I sit on my chair and do breakfast. I eat vegetable. I eat the vegetables. I eat the fish today. I ate the fish today. My mommy cooked a yummy food. My mommy cooked a yummy food. I used the fork and the spoon. I used the fork and spoon. My aunt washed dishes after I eating. My aunt washed dishes after I eating. I chew up my food very well. I chew my food very well. I ate all my food without any leftovers. I ate all my foods without any leftovers. At day. At day. I go to school by car. I go to school by car. Before I go to school, I will prepare my shoes and my socks. Before I go to school, I will prepare my shoes and socks. I always bring my favorite water bottle. I always bring my favorite water bottle. My mommy will put the snack into my bag. My mommy will put the snack into my bag. I always do my homework before go to school. I always do my homework before go to school. On the way home from school, I can sleep a while in the car. On the way home from school, I can sleep a while in the car. I can see so many cars in the road. I can see so many cars in the road. I love to hear the music in the car. I love to hear the music in the car. I take off my shoes once I arrive at home. I take off my shoes once I arrive at home. I change the uniform. I change the uniform. Uniform. I wash my hand. I wash my hand. I am really hungry. I'm really hungry. I want to have lunch right now. I want to have a lunch right now. My mommy will prepare my lunch. My mommy will prepare my lunch. Before I eat the food, I always praying first. Before I eat the food, I always praying first. Evening. Evening. I will check whether I have homework or not. I will check whether I have homework or not. I like to playing soccer. I like to playing soccer. My friend and me playing in field. My friend and me playing in field. I have a good friend. I have a good friend. After playing, I will drink water. After playing, I will drink water. Sometimes my friends come to my house. Sometimes my friends come to my house. We also learn together. We also learn together. My friends are girls. My friends are girls. My friends are boys. My friends are boys. We talk to each other. We talk to each other. I like watching the fish show. I like watching the fishing show. I like watching the fishing show. I do watching in the afternoon. I do watching in the afternoon. My mommy teach me how to read. My mommy teach me how to read. My daddy teach me how to count. My daddy teach me how to count. I also like to drawing. I also like to drawing. At night, at night, at night, all of family members gather in the living room. At night, all of family members gather in the living room. We watching the news. We watching the news. Me and my parents eat the food together. Me and my parents eat the food together. I talking to my parents in the terrace. I talking to my parents in the terrace. We drink the hot tea. We drink the hot tea for tomorrow. My mommy go to the kitchen to prepare my food for tomorrow. I like reading the fairy tales. I like reading the fairy tales. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I can turn on the AC and the lamp by myself. I can turn on the AC and lamp by myself. I always sleep with my favorite blanket. I always sleep with my favorite blanket. Before sleeping, my mommy checked what had happened to me in the school. Before sleeping, my mommy checked what had happened to me in the school. I asked my daddy to read the story. I asked my daddy to read the story. I like to jumping in my bed. I like to jumping in my bed. I like to praying before sleeping. I like to praying before sleeping. Nah, itu dia teman-teman contoh-contoh kalimat bahasa Inggris yang dapat digunakan full seharian, khususnya untuk aktivitas anak-anak yang dari bangun pagi sampai tidur di malam hari lagi. Silahkan dipelajari dengan cara mendengar atau mengulangi kalimat tersebut dengan percaya diri. Semoga bermanfaat dan tetap semangat belajar. Alright, this is the end of this videos. If you want more video, all you have to do is search for my name, Isak Cemara, ISAACCEMARA. And last, for those of you who not subscribed this channel yet, please support me by like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye!